Hello everyone. In my previous video, we have already seen how to reverse a linked list using iterative method. Now we'll be solving the same problem using recursion. So let's see how we can do. I have already copied the code for solving recursively. So let's see what will happen. In the beginning, we are here. Our head is pointing to 1. Is head is none? No. So what it will do? It calls for this one. Now our head is pointing to 2. Same way, head is not none and head dot next is also not none. So our head will start pointing to 3. Similarly, it will go ahead, it will start pointing to 4. Now, 4 will call for 5. Now head is none and head dot next is none. So what will it will return? It will return the head itself. That is, what it will get? Rest equals to 5 it will get. Rest will start pointing to 5. Now our head is at 4, right? So what it will do? Head dot next equals to head. This is head. Head's next is 5. 5 next is none. Now 5 will start pointing to head. It will start pointing to this one and it will return head dot next is none. Head dot next is none. The 4 will start pointing to none. Now now rest will become what? Rest will become? Rest will become 5 4, correct? And this will start pointing to none. So this is our updated rest and rest will be returned, right? It will return the rest. Now our head is here. This gets solved. Our head is here now. Now what it will do? Head dot next. What is head's next? That is force. Force next is equals to head. Force next will start pointing to head. What is head? That is 3. And where 3 will point now? 3 will point to none now. Correct? 3 will point to none and rest will return. Now this our updated rest will be returning. Now our rest become 5, 4, 3 and none. Similarly head will be returning. So this part is over. Now our 3 will start pointing to 4. 3 will start pointing to none and 4 will start pointing to 3. Now our head is at 2. Head dot next, that is 3 is next. 3 is next will start pointing to head. That is, now this will become 2 and 2 is next will be none. Similarly, now rest will get returned. So our this part is solved now. Now I'll move to here. Now once next is 2's, right? 2's next. So this will start pointing to 1 now. This will start pointing to 1 now and 1 will return, it will start pointing to none. Now what will be our rest? Our rest will be this one. So it will return rest. Our output will be 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this is our answer and this is the approach and this is the code for this. Let's compile the code. It's running correctly. Thank you.